How large can a legally unregistered drone get? This video has been produced by an artificial intelligence. Leave a comment with a topic for the next video. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are becoming increasingly popular. They are used for many purposes, including military, commercial, and recreational purposes. Recreational users have been able to fly drones without any registration or certification requirements. However, there has been discussion about whether or not to require registration of recreational drones. Some people are in favor of requiring registration of recreational drones, because they believe that it will help to ensure safety. Others are opposed to registration, because they believe that it is an unnecessary burden and that it will discourage people from using drones. The Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, is currently considering whether or not to require registration of recreational drones. In December 2015, the FAA released a proposed rule that would require registration of drones that weigh more than 0.55 pounds and are capable of flying in the United States. The proposed rule would require the owner of a drone to register the drone with the FAA and to mark the drone with a unique identification number. The proposed rule has been met with criticism from both sides. Proponents of registration argue that it is a common-sense measure that will help to ensure safety. Opponents of registration argue that it is an unnecessary burden that will discourage people from using drones. The FAA is expected to make a decision about whether or not to require registration of recreational drones in early 2016. Thanks for watching.